Exquisite, intelligent, powerful. LBLA drone will bring more surprise for you. The fuselage used a plane symmetry structure, unique disc streamline design and built-in LED color lines to show the ultimate charm. Intelligence control system, one-key takeoff, easy to operate. Smartphone connect drone's Wi-Fi with HD camera, real-time image transmission, quick capture of the wonderful moments, aerial photography of the beautiful scenery, easy to record highlights, safe picture and video at the same time, one key to quickly share your vision, altitude hold, lock height, auto hover, one key to switch height or lower speed mode. It can fly in wind environment, had the highest ability on wind resistance. One key to flip, 360-degree flip. Draw fly path, drone will base on this path to fly. Turn on 3D split screen function with VR glasses to experience flight. Turn on gravity sensor function, experience the fun of interactive flying. Headless mode, reposition drone's direction, simple and useful. Coordinate with one key to return, let the drone come back to your side safely. LBLA, fly at night, colorful night lights, more shining in the night sky. Watching LBLA drone isn't